Hello everybody, today we make a Clams Oreganata. For the ingredients we got fresh chopped clams. I got black pepper, breadcrumb, parsley. This is from my garden, I got so much parsley. Oregano from my garden, look how beautiful. Salt, garlic, chopped already. Flake hot pepper. You need oil, and I got the shell for the clams that will make the oreganata. And we start with the clams to put on this bowl. And this dish is out. Now we got garlic. I use half of this garlic like this. I gotta use the rest for something else after. Now we got the flake hot pepper. And this is my favorite. I like hot. Since no hot for me, the glass of wine ain't no go. And I use my Oye baby flake hot pepper. Now we got salt. And I use half teaspoon salt. This is oregano. Okay, you gotta make an oreganata, and you need oregano. And we put oregano. Now, black pepper. Okay. You need oil, olive oil. You see, I got a problem with this olive oil. For me, it's easy. Olio di oliva. So nice. Okay, we got a fresh parsley. And I want to put over here. And now we give a nice mix. Before I gotta put the breadcrumb. I'm not putting now the breadcrumb. I want to mix. I want to see how wet it is. Because I don't need too much bread. I don't use. Okay? You see, the clams oreganata, I like to eat the clams, not the breadcrumb. Because I want bread, I eat bread. I want to eat the clams. Look how beautiful. Okay, every time I mix, the smell is so good. I like to eat like this already. Okay? It's everything. I like raw clams. Everything is really good. The garlic, everything. Now, you see, it's a little wet. The clams, everything, the mix. And what I got to do, I use the breadcrumb. I use 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons breadcrumb. Now we give another mix. And you see, because it's more wet, you can put a little bit more. But I think it's enough. Okay, now I got this breadcrumb and the garlic and oil I gotta use for the top. And we put the breadcrumb right on this dish over here. And we put this on the side. Now we got the garlic. And we mix together. And oil. Let's mix this now the breadcrumb and the garlic and oil. Because this now gotta be a little bit more wet with the oil. And now we mix this really good. Because this is the top for the clams. That's enough. Okay, look at this, how nice it is. But after, I gotta use my finger, put the clams on the shell and the breadcrumb the top. Okay, now we gotta start the stuff. And this is so easy. Look. La 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 la. Peppino Surigilla m'ha fatto scompare, mannaggia Surigilla c'è già l'hanno bicchiere vino. A sera da cucina un po' che vino già la sa, e quando si imbriaca a Peppino già incappa. Agingapata proprio nell'usuricino. It's so nice, easy. No? Look how easy it is. So easy. Look, and you do. So easy. And now we keep a little bit more fast. This is before I was go 10 miles an hour, and now let's go on 35 miles an hour. So good. Okay, now before we put in the oven, I gotta put a little water. Not too much, only to make wet the bottom of the shell. And I put it right over here, not too much water, like I said. That's it. Now we put it in the oven. I got the oven at 400 degrees, and you gotta stay in the oven, the clams, for 15 minutes. Goodbye. Cook it good to get our native. Okay, 15 minutes. And look how beautiful it look. Beautiful color. Look how nice. It's a Clams Oreganata. Beautiful. Okay, now I want to taste my Clams Oreganata. And this, it look delicious. And let's see now. Okay, look at the clams. Ooh, it's really, really hot. It's so good. Really good. I like it so much. A nice glass of wine. Today I want to try white wine. Nice cold. It's really nice. It's dry wine, white. Salute, cincin ad everybody. I hope somebody make this Clams Oreganata. It's delicious. And with oye baby, you can taste the oye baby. Salute, cincin ad everybody. A salute. And we see next time. Salute, cincin. Really, really good. Oh! Clams Oreganato, Clams Oreganata. Okay. Here we go, Oreganata. This is a clams. When I was in Italy, the Orsara, we was go the Manfredonia, and we was pick up a clams on the sand with a finger. Over there, the finger, everybody was using longer finger to pick up a clams and to dig the clams on the sand. With a knife right away, little lemon, poof, done.
Okay. How was it good?
Jeremy,
Dine it.
good.
Can't try it.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Like this, you see?
I can't wait to taste this.
When I was in Osaka, the clams, when they go like this, nobody was throwing this. It was go, it's washed already.
No dishwasher? A little
You
spicy.
see? This is delicious.
I don't know, I'm gonna eat more, but I don't think we
No,
can
no,
take a
no,
picture.
no, no, eat no more.
Oh, we gotta take a picture, yeah.
One more.